Alright, do watch very carefully, okay? You go to new projects, pick a video of your choice. Yes, okay, pick one, add. Alright, move to this place, drag to the end, click on the ending and delete. Alright, then click on the plus sign to add another video. Alright, pick another video of your choice, add, then tap on the last video and look for overlay. Look for overlay, scroll. Yes, that is it. Then you hold down and drag it to the first part. Yes. Okay. Now you tap on the last video and scroll for mask. Look for mask. Then pick your choice. I chose the first one. Then you can hold it with your two fingers apart. You can turn it to whichever side. So I was at the end, so I had to move it to the beginning part so you can see the first and second video. Alright, so for the first video, I wanted to show a little bit of the person under, so you can tap on the video up there and drag it down slightly, adjust to make it fit. Alright, that's all. You can now play your video. That's it. You have the two videos there. You can now export. Click on export. Alright, for the next one, which is to remove your background, pick a picture, a real human picture, then click on add. You look down, you can see remove background. Yes, remove background. That automatically is done. You can export. And we got this feature from products. Yeah, you go to the part in the first page that says products. Click again, product photo. Yes, that's where you go to. Then when you pick a picture that has AI work done on it already, it will give you options of different backgrounds on the same product photos. But if you choose a real human picture, it will give you the option of removing the background. Okay, it can apply AI for human beings, but for all these kind of images, you can give different backgrounds to it. You can make your choice, just keep loading and you are good to go. So remember, this part is on product photos. When you open your CapCut, you check product photos. All right, you can export.